They say an empty mind is the devil's workshop, but what does that really mean? This is the story of Rohan, a boy who had everything but wasted his time in laziness and idleness. His empty mind became full of negativity until one day, he discovered the secret of discipline, consistency, and purpose. Stay with me till the end, because this story will not only inspire you, but also teach you how to protect your own mind from the dangers of idleness. Rohan was born in a small town. His parents worked hard to give him a comfortable life. He had food, clothes, a smartphone, and even a computer. But comfort made him careless. Instead of using his time to study, play sports, or learn skills, he spent hours on his phone scrolling through social media, watching funny videos, and chatting late into the night. Every morning, he woke up late, rushed to school, and sat in class without focus. His teachers often said, "Rohan, you have talent, but you waste your time." But he ignored them. Deep down, Rohan felt something was missing, but he didn't know what. After school, most of his friends joined tuition classes, sports clubs, or music lessons. But Rohan? He came home, threw his bag in the corner, grabbed snacks, and sat glued to his phone or TV. At first, it felt relaxing. But slowly, the empty hours started to play tricks on his mind. He compared himself with others online and felt jealous. He thought, why are they so talented? Why am I not good at anything? Sometimes he fought with his parents for no reason. His mind was empty of goals, but full of negativity. One evening, his grandfather saw him sitting silently. "Why are you so dull, Rohan?" he asked. "I don't know, Dadaji," Rohan said. "I feel useless. Nothing makes me happy." His grandfather smiled sadly and said, "An empty mind is the devil's workshop. If you don't fill your mind with purpose, negativity will take over. Life is too precious to waste in idleness." Rohan nodded, but he didn't change. The warning entered one ear and left the other. Days turned into weeks. Rohan stopped doing homework. His marks dropped. His friends stopped inviting him to play because he always said, "No, I'm too tired." One day during exams, he looked at the paper and his mind went completely blank. He failed in 2 subjects. That evening, he overheard his parents talking. "Our son has no future if he continues like this." Those words pierced his heart. He realized his laziness was destroying not just his life, but also his parents' dreams. The next morning, Rohan went to his grandfather and asked, "Dadaji, tell me what to do. How can I escape this emptiness?" His grandfather said, "Fill your day with meaningful actions. Read, write, exercise, learn new skills. Help others. When your mind is busy with good things, there's no space for the devil to enter." Rohan promised to try. At first, it was very difficult. Waking up early felt impossible. Reading books felt boring. Exercise made him tired. He failed many times. Sometimes he even gave up for days. But his grandfather kept reminding him, "Consistency, my boy. Even if you fall, rise again." Rohan started small. Just 10 minutes of jogging in the morning. Reading 5 pages of a book before bed. Reading 5 pages of a book before bed. Writing his thoughts in a diary. Slowly, his days started filling with purpose. Weeks passed. Then months. His body became healthier. His mind became sharper. Writing his thoughts in a diary. Slowly, his days started filling with purpose. Weeks passed. Then months. His body became healthier. His mind became sharper. He started scoring better in school. Teachers noticed his change. Most importantly, Rohan felt proud of himself. He was no longer jealous of others. Instead, he was busy competing with himself. One day, his school invited him to speak at a morning assembly. Rohan stood before hundreds of students and shared his story. "I wasted months of my life doing nothing. My empty mind was full of negativity. But I realized if you don't control your mind, the devil will. Fill your day with learning, with discipline, with growth. Never waste time. Because time wasted is life wasted." The students clapped. Some even had tears in their eyes. Rohan's success was not in marks or trophies. It was in his transformation. He discovered the value of discipline, time, and purpose. Years later, when he grew up, he became a motivational speaker. He shared his journey with thousands of students who struggled with laziness and negativity. And every time, he ended his speech with his grandfather's words. Remember, an empty mind is the devil's workshop, but a mind filled with purpose is God's workshop. This story teaches us a powerful truth. Laziness and idleness are silent killers. If you let your mind stay empty, negativity will take over. But if you fill your life with learning, discipline, and positive habits, you can transform yourself and inspire others. Let's learn vocabulary from the story. Number 1. Idle. Meaning, not active or not doing anything useful. Sentence. Rohan spent most of his afternoons in idle scrolling on his phone. Number 2. Negativity. Meaning, unhelpful, pessimistic, or harmful thoughts. Sentence. His empty mind was soon filled with negativity and jealousy. Number 3. Comfort zone. Meaning, a situation where you feel safe but don't grow. Sentence. Rohan stayed in his comfort zone instead of learning new skills. Number 4. Comparison. Meaning, looking at differences between yourself and others. Sentence. He wasted hours in comparison, feeling jealous of friends online. Number 5. Warning. Meaning, a message that alerts you about possible danger. Sentence. His grandfather's words were a clear warning about wasting time. Number 6. Emptiness. Meaning, a feeling of nothingness or lack of purpose. Sentence. Rohan confessed that he felt emptiness in his life. Number 7. Discipline. Meaning, the practice of self-control and regular habits. Sentence. Only discipline can protect the mind from laziness. Number 8. Determination. Meaning, a strong will to continue trying despite difficulty. Sentence. Jogging every morning showed Rohan's determination to change. Number 9. Consistency. Meaning, doing something regularly without giving up. Sentence. Through consistency, Rohan turned small actions into big progress. Number 10. Transformation. Meaning, a complete and positive change. Sentence. The lazy boy's transformation inspired his teachers and classmates. Number 11. Confidence. Meaning, belief in yourself and your abilities. Sentence. His confidence grew when he spoke at the school assembly. Number 12. Purpose. Meaning, the reason for doing something, life's direction. Sentence. Rohan filled his days with purpose instead of wasting them. Number 13. Inspiration. Meaning, something that motivates you to act positively. Sentence. Rohan became an inspiration for other students. Number 14. Self-respect. Meaning, the pride you feel when you value yourself. Sentence. Gaining discipline gave Rohan a new sense of self-respect. Number 15. Destiny. Meaning, the future or path of life that you create by choices. Sentence. Rohan realized his destiny was in his own hands, not in laziness. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more long motivational English stories every week.